tronco en el camino.
Step back, relax. I think about all them good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I return. Yeah. Sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another mission. They gotta make that incredible decision to check along and surface in light. Yeah, we all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what your will beloved, cause this is our purpose in life. Yeah, so then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that
Lindo, ¿eh? Está buenísimo.
I to not know peace. Every week